Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your headset model, firmware, and companion app versions. This matters because JavaScript permissions live in specific builds. Once done, open the companion app or the headset settings and enable developer or advanced options if they're hidden. This exposes script-related toggles. Make sure the headset is online and paired to your phone or PC so changes sync. These first steps prepare the device and prevent confusing missing options later. Now you enable JavaScript itself. In the headset browser or WebView settings, find the web content or JavaScript toggle and switch it on. This allows embedded apps and UI widgets to run. If using a companion app, change the same setting there so both endpoints match. After toggling, restart the browser process or reboot the headset to ensure the engine reloads with scripts permitted. Also grant site-level permissions when prompted so interactive experiences can access sensors. Finish by testing a verified JavaScript VR demo and validating behavior. Use remote debugging from your PC or phone to view the console and confirm scripts execute. This shows errors and blocked resources. If something doesn't run, clear the browser cache and reboot the headset. Caches often serve stale CSB or disabled flags. If problems persist, enable verbose logging or temporarily revert settings and reinstall firmware. These steps uncover permission conflicts or corrupted components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.